Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. In today's tutorial, we are going to start with the next topic of the chapter, that is shadow. I know you all are familiar with this word shadow. What is a shadow? A shadow is a darkness that an object causes when it prevents light from falling on the another object. In other words, we can say this thing: it is only a dark region which does not contain any color. The size of the shadow is relative to the position of the object with respect to the source of light. So let's do one activity to better understand this concept. Before going further, first of all, I just want to tell you that there are the three things required for the formation of shadow: a source of light, an object, an opaque object, right, and a screen. Like here the screen is this, and we are using a torch as a source of light, and any object. Like here we'll just see this is the object, opaque object which obstruct the path of the light. So as you see, the shadow of the CD is be formed on the screen. So it means the conclusion says that we need three main things for the formation of shadow, that is source of light, an opaque object, and a screen. So here one more thing we'll just going to discuss, that like this is the shadow of the pen formed on the screen. As we just take our object closer to the source of light, the shadow is be bigger in size. As the object moves away from the source of light, the shadow will be smaller in size. So it means this depends on the that the size of the shadow is be depend on the distance from the source of light. From all these above activities, we conclude that a shadow is formed only when the light is be blocked by an opaque object. A shadow is only a dark region which does not show any color. As you see in the activity, that all either the shadow of the CD, either the shadow of the pen, that all be of a black color. So it means it does not indicate the color of the object. A shadow may or may not resemble the actual shape of the object. Either when we are moving that away from the source of light, it is be smaller in size, and when it object is be moved towards closer to the source of light, it is be bigger in size. So it means that doesn't resemble the shape, actual shape of the object. The shadow can be formed only on a screen. So there is always be need of a screen to form a shadow. The size of a shadow is be relative to the position of the light with respect to the object. Thank you and have a nice day.